I got a 1955 Cameo pickup. I found Classic Parts while I was building this truck, so I've kind of become good friends with them. Anyway, along the way, I've built this truck, and this is the first show in the Midwest I've had it out at. I kind of got into hot rodding as a kid. I've always went to shows with my parents and whatever, but it really stepped up my game whenever I met my wife, and her family's really into hot rods. Her dad has a shop in California. And I sold my last truck here in the Midwest and went on a hunt because I really wanted to build something different that everybody didn't have. Obviously, there's not a lot of Cameos out there. So I started looking around. I found this truck in Los Angeles, California. A lady had it, was wanting to sell it. So within 2 days, I was on the road to pick it up. Went to Los Angeles, picked it up, brought it back here in the Midwest. So I bought it. It was a running, driving, pretty nice truck. I originally thought I was just going to fix a few things on it and, be done with it. The more we started looking at it, I'm kind of a perfectionist, and I couldn't live with it, so we finally decided we had to blow it clear apart, take it to the frame, completely strip it down and start over. I had no idea you guys even existed. I'd been waiting 2 months trying to get the part from the manufacturer, and I had it from you guys in less than 30 minutes. So that's how I met you guys originally, and since then I've bought a lot of parts from you guys, and it's always been great to have someone like that local to be able to go get something when you need it.